Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're doing good. So I'm here in Majnu Ka Tila with Dee and we are heading towards Ama Cafe. We are so excited for it because it's been so long. हम लोग plan कर रहे थे कि हम breakfast date के लिए Majnu Ka Tila आएंगे and thankfully we are here today. So yay, today is gonna go good. Time that we have come here and it's amazing. I'm loving this place. The food is so good. We tried this molten cheese fries and it's amazing. We had this Java frappe, I guess, and it's amazing. Again, it's a must try. I'm loving it. I mean, look at them, they are so fluffy. I just can't wait to have them. Guys, the pancakes are so yum, but just because of the smell, मेरे को नहीं इतना अच्छा लग रहा है because मेरे को eggs से problem है and obviously pancakes में eggs हैं, so because of that थोड़ा बहुत मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगा and I'm not having it anymore. Few bites I had because it was so good and it is so good, but if you are someone who likes it and who can eat eggs, then you will love it for sure. दीदी को भी बहुत पसंद आया and it is tasty. एंड लाफिंग के बिना तो मजनू का टीला की विजिट अधूरी है. सो देयर वी आर. Guys, Ama Cafe was so good.
But हम जिसके लिए आए थे हमने वो किया नहीं. We didn't order breakfast.
As in English breakfast.
Yeah, English breakfast from Ama Cafe.
We did have pancakes though.
बट जो मेन उनका स्पेशल था ब्रेकफास्ट मेन्यू हमने वही ट्राई नहीं किया. बट हमने उसके अलावा पूरा जंक खाया है. लिटरल जंक.
Yeah, and it was so good. Like बहुत tasty था.
But I really wanted to have those chocolate pancakes.
No, I don't like chocolate pancakes.
No, that's why we ordered plain simple pancakes.
But
they were yummy.
Just because of that egg factor, because उसमें egg का smell आ रहा था, इसलिए I couldn't have full of it, like the whole pancake. But apart from that, it was really good.
And the ambience was really nice.
Yeah, and it's 3 multi-story building, right?
4 floors.
4 floors are there. So again, तभी mostly हमेशा वो fully रहता है. उसके लिए आपको wait करना पड़ता है. Thankfully आज हमें wait नहीं करना पड़ा.
हम लोग सोए भी नहीं हैं सुबह से. मतलब रात से हम लोग सोए नहीं सिर्फ आमा कैफे आने के लिए, so that we could have English breakfast. और हमने वही try नहीं किया.
But it was good.
Yeah.
It was a good day.
Was good.
Yeah. So I'm back home and as you can see I am wearing a different lip shade right now. I don't generally go for this lip shade, but because one of my subscribers asked me that you should try different lip shades, maybe try some bright or some nude shades, so here I am. Rather than applying a nude pink shade which I generally go for, I'm wearing this brown nude shade. So do let me know in the comment section if it's suiting me or not, as I'm not really sure about it. And since I'm home, I would love to show you these bags that I've recently got from this brand called Zouk. Let me first tell you a few things about this brand. Zouk is a 100% vegan, PETA approved, proudly Indian D2C brand in bags, wallets, and accessories. The brand really stands out by fusing Indian craftsmanship with modern functionality with its products. Their mission is to bring customers stylish and functional products with the essence of India. The materials used to make Zouk bags are vegan leather, handicraft fabric, water-resistant inner lining. Now talking about the specifications of this Flomotif office bag, it has sturdy and durable accessories. It has these double straps which are non-adjustable. Then there's this zip closure as well, and it's a single compartment bag. Then we have this inner padded compartment for laptop which can fit up to 15.6-inch laptop, and here there are some more compartments, built-in phone, keychain and pen slot compartment as well. Then this is how the bag looks like, you guys, and it's a pretty bag right here. I really like how the bag looks like, and again the quality as well, it's just so good. Single compartment, then we have this laptop and other built-in compartments as well, which really makes it a good gifting option. So yes, here we have this Flomotif bag. Now I'm gonna show you the other one right over here. So now let's talk about the specifications of this Mughal Art multicolored two-fold wallet with detachable sling. This is how the wallet or the sling looks like right here. Then the main section contains 2 slip pockets wherein you can keep your cash, some invoices, bills, anything, and it can fit a medium size phone as well right here. Then there's this inner chain as well wherein you can keep your chain, some extra cash, and then here are 4 slots as well. I hope you can see it over here. So these 4 slots over here, you can keep your ATM cards, metro cards, you know, any card right in place. And then there's this extra chain as well at the back wherein you can keep your go-to things, and of course you can keep some chains, some keychains, maybe some go-to makeup products as well. So yeah, this is how the bag looks like. This is how the sling or two-fold wallet looks like. And yeah, I really like the art over here as well. It just looks so good. Both bags, you guys, I mean, just look at them. Ain't they so pretty? I personally believe Zouk bags are a great gifting option, and I happen to have a coupon code as well. You can use that to get extra discounts, and if you'd like to check out these amazing bags, then the link is there in my description box. You can go ahead and check it out. क्या बात है बाबा जी, कहाँ जा रहे हैं आप?
बर्थडे
पार्टी हमें नहीं जा रहे.
Christmas birthday party.
Christmas birthday party, both. Okay.
Both of my childhood friend, Mr. Pintu.
Oh my god, you're going to Mr. Pintu's house?
Yes.
That's nice, that's nice. Show us your outfit. Okay, well, you're looking good.
Thank you.
And Chachi and Mama, आप दोनों क्या बना रहे हैं? कटलेट.
पकोड़े.
Oh wow, चाची, आपने क्या क्या बनाया?
यही बनाया है,
प्याज के पकौड़े.
ये प्याज के पकौड़े हैं.
Nice.
एक कटलेट हो गए.
Wow, yum yum. माँ, थोड़ा बताएंगे आप, आपने कैसे बनाए हैं ये प्यारे प्यारे प्याज के पकौड़े एंड ऑमलेट? सॉरी, क्या है ये? कटलेट.
कटलेट के लिए आलू बॉईल किया.
हम्म.
उसके बाद उसमें ब्रेड मिक्स करी, भिगा के उसको टाइट की स्क्वीज करके. ठीक है, फिर उसमें यूं मिक्स कर दिया और प्याज वगैरह डाला, थोड़ा हरी मिर्ची, धनिया.
हाँ.
फिर मैश करके बस इसको बना दिया, शेप दे दिया ऐसे. बस फ्राई कर दिए.
यम. चाची, आपने टेस्ट किया?
बहुत अच्छे
टेस्ट करके बताइए. यम यम. वैसे मम्मा और चाची दोनों ही बहुत यमी खाना बनाती हैं. So
थैंक यू.
You're welcome.
Que solo palabras y si no las cumples se van a desvanecer. Algún día volverás tú al lado mío y yo de testigo. Vamos 1, 2, 3 sin
So पापा जी पकौड़े एंड कटलेट खाने के चक्कर में अभी तक यही हैं. आपकी पार्टी का क्या हुआ?
चल रही है.
पहले यहाँ पार्टी करेंगे और फिर वहाँ पे पार्टी करेंगे. नाइस.